Hey everybody, it's Paula from Crafting by the Pond. I hope you're having a fabtabulous day. I am on here to do a unboxing from PandahallSelected. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review some of their products, and of course I said yes, because I ordered, in the past I've ordered those bales from them that I showed in one of my other haul videos on Project Shares. So great products, and so let me just dig right in and show you what I selected. So of course everything came packaged incredibly, like, and I saved it. Like, this is just the bubble wrap, like, look at so I mean everything came, nothing was damaged, it was perfect. So I ordered some dies, and these are very vintage looking to me. I love them because, you know, I'm kind of getting into the whole journaling thing more. So I'm just gonna try to keep the packaging to the side. So here is the first die, and it's, you know, a flowered die, but I like it. It's very simple, and this flower here in the center, you can attach that. So I really like that. I thought that would be perfect for like a layout on a page. And so don't worry, I'm going to come back and show you what I've done with all of the products that they sent me. And if you, I have actually a code also for 10% off that they were so gracious to give. And it's good for a whole year. So I'm going to link all the descriptions of the products that I selected. And also I'm going to list the coupon code with the dates. So if you're coming late to the party, you're not going to miss out. You got a year. Okay. So this is another one of their dies that I selected, and it's just gorgeous. And it's this outside piece here, right? And then this piece here, right, which is the center, and then this other piece here. I mean, how vintage and yummy is that? So like I said, I'm going to be cutting everything out and showing you what I picked up. And I have some more dies that I selected. And these are, again, everything, it comes in the bag. I mean, the packaging is good. I think it's a little much, but I don't think we need all this stuff. But all the packing material I will be saving to reuse. Like, these bags are awesome to save your stuff. And I even save these if they're not marked, because you can use these over and put a little bag topper on those. So that would be like my only, I guess it wouldn't even be like that would be my only observation, I guess is a good word, because the packing is a little much. And I mean, I get it. It's coming a long way. They want to make sure that everything arrives and is not damaged. However, you know, the environment. So just reuse the stuff if you can would be my only thing. Okay, so this one, I fell in love with this die. It is like for a corner pocket in your journal. And then this, the flowers here, that's kind of like a little, I don't know, just a little pretty flowery design is separate. So, I mean, that, just look how vintage and just, I just love it. So I'm really, really excited, to get, you know, these, dies cut, and see and show them to you guys and let you see what I've done with them. But these dies are incredible. Okay, so again, another kind of corner, you could use this as a corner die or an actual, just a layout for the page. And it's, this centerpiece comes out, so you can use it or not. Excuse me. So Yeah, I mean, I'm really, really excited. They have good quality, very good quality dies. They're not, sometimes when we get those dies off of AliExpress, they're kind of thin. These are not thin. They've got like some, you know, there's some bulk. I mean, I've gotten other ones in the past from like AliExpress, and they're not, I mean, these are great quality dies. They're not like flimsy. They're not, you know, even this you would think, okay, well, this looks a little flimsy, but it's not. So I'm really, really excited to get to use those. So I'll be coming back with a project for those. Okay. Now, so if anyone knows me and has followed me for a long time, I am a stamper at heart. Card maker. That's how I started my love of crafting. So I picked up these really, really beautiful like corner dies. Again, let me take it out of the plastic to kind of help reduce some of the glare. That's what I like to do, because you can see. Sometimes I watch videos and I'm like, I can't see, it's the glare. So they're really pretty, just little swirlies, different designs on the flowers. You can see it really well here, trying to not, excuse me, catch the glare. But how amazing. Perfect just to pop a little something, you know, in your journal, or a little corner rounder, you know, little corners on your cards, whatever it is that you're working on. So I love those because they were small. I mean, I have other stamps that are large, and they're like, just sometimes they're just like too big. They're too much, and you just need a little something, you know. So here's my little something. So I selected those, and then this, you guys. I usually don't like cutesy, but this is fabulous, especially because summer is coming. I just thought this stamp is amazing. And let me peel some of that off. Okay. So it's got the lady, and she's kind of sitting on, you know, she can be sitting on the beach, and there's some shells, a little beach bag, an ice pop, some ice cream, ice cubes with a mint, a little fan, an extra hat. If you like wanted to change the hat, where you could put that mask this hat and put this one on there. And then the sun with the ice cream. And then this is great. It's a little airplane, and it's carrying, you know, one of those banners like when you go to the beach, and it says summer in the air with a little heart and a little piece of cake. So I have got a project idea in mind for this, because I like doing pocket letters, and so this is going to be perfect to do like a summer pocket letter theme. So I'm going to come back and show you what I've done with this stamp, and this is yeah, great. Wow. Okay. I'm excited. All right, so with that being said, I also, because I've always wanted to try and never have had, these are various different sizes of their acrylic blocks. And the main reason why I picked these up is because I've always wanted to try the round ones. And I don't have any round stamps. I have the stamp platform. I have a Misty, and I have a Tim Holtz, but like if I'm, you know, somewhere, like, okay, let's say for instance, if I'm at work, and what my job is I am a hospitalist, and I admit patients into the hospital. So unless I have somebody to admit, I have some downtime, right, in between cases. So I wanted something that I could easily just like pack a little bag and, you know, stamp some images out. And I thought these would be perfect. And I'm unpackaging them all. Sorry about the crinkling. I like the crinkling though. Some people hate it. It doesn't bother me, but okay. So why I love these things. They have the grid on there. So as you can see, when it's down low, you can see. So you can use the grid to kind of line up your stamp. I have arthritis in my hands really bad. And these are great. These are going to be just perfect because, like I said, I have arthritis in my hands. I have little hands. And so I think these are going to be great. I'm going to try them out. This one's got a little weight to it. They've got, you know, a pretty decent thickness to them, as you can see. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited to try these out. So I will be using those when I do the pocket letters, so you can see how they work out. And I liked the different sizes, and I think it's going to be perfect because you can see, like, let's take a look here. Like, there's some real small ones, and sometimes when you use the smaller dies on a big block, like this fits perfectly on there. You can see that. Probably see it this way too. You're not going to have a bunch of ink everywhere because that makes me bananas. Like when you go and you stamp and you've got ink all over, so you're basically wasting the ink. And when you use the smaller blocks with the smaller stamps, you're going to be saving a little bit on your ink. Not anything too much, but not so much saving the ink. I would think saving the mess, because good night. I can go through some stamp cleaner like nobody's business. So I'll let you guys know. I'll do like a little project share and show you how those work out and if I really, really like them. Okay, so this I did not even know they had, but I'm oh so happy they did. This is a stationery set. Yes, can you believe that? A stationery set. And it came with these papers, these pretty papers. It's a craft paper. And let me just open this. I mean, look at this package. Everything that came with it. Oh, wait, and I forgot the most important part. Keys. So let's take a look at this. Let's unpack this, shall we, so we can see what all we have. So I really, really like this paper. I've opened it up and I've looked at everything. And it is a nice craft paper. Like, it's a good, hefty, it's not thin. It's a good, it's got some, I don't know how you would explain it, but it's not cheap and it's not thin. And all of the sheets are different that came in the pack. So I wanted these also for the journaling. So this one has a little bunny, and it also has this one has sentiment on it. It says, from majestic mountains and valleys of green to crystal clear waters so blue, this wish is coming with you. So that's under the bunny. And it's really, really small. You can't, it's really hard. My camera isn't picking it up. So I really do like that. And then this one is just a plain, like really, really pretty. And there, I think there's, I'm not camera, I'm not shot here. But this, and it has a French thing. I don't understand French, so I can't read. And this one has a little Cupid and then just some script and a design there. And then this one also is, you know, has a design. You can use it that way or this way, and you can write on that. This one the same way. It can be utilized either way in your journal. And then just some pretty flowers. And again, you know, you're not limited to what you want to do with it. So this also is just stunning. I mean, this is ready to go on a page, right? You glue it down, crease it down the middle, done, right? And then just start embellishing however you wish. I do love this paper. It came with Oh, it even has the do not eat thing in there. So we'll throw that away. We don't need that. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of the paper total, which is great. My only observation with this paper is great. It's a great quality paper. The thickness is great. It's not flimsy, and it feels nice. But it has the logo of the paper on there, and I don't see the necessity for that. I'm going to cover it up with everything. I'm going to either put a sticker or something over there, and I just think it's not on all of the pages, but it is on some of the pages. I say, get rid of it because you don't need it, and it actually distracts from the beauty of the paper. So that would be my only observation with that. They did ask for my honest opinion about what I thought. And it also came with these amazing envelopes. Look at these, you guys. These are amazing. I love the color. I love the feel. There's no glue on it, which is great because as a crafter, I usually use these pockets to put stuff in, and I don't necessarily glue it down, but you can. It also came with this jute twine. I don't know how much is in there. I don't know. And then it came with these keys. Like, I can't even believe it. I was like, oh, bonus. And I think I haven't looked at the keys. Nope, they're all the same. Are they all the same? Yeah. No, they're different. There's 2 different styles in here. So, I mean, what a value from. This is a fabulous thing. Okay, so I'm trying to separate them so you can really get a good look. See, they are different. They're 2 different styles. So, and it also came with these rolls of stickers that say, thank you for your order. I don't know what I'll do with these. I guess I'll just put them in my stash. So yeah. So guys, this was what Panda Haul selected. I chose for my product review. And like I said, I will be coming back on to show you all of the beautiful things that I plan to make, that I have ideas in my head. So I will definitely be back. Let me just kind of back out here just a little bit so you can see. Oh, wrong way. But here's kind of everything. And I will definitely let you know, and I'll be back with a project share video very, very soon. I hope you guys are having a great day. Please check them out. The links are all going to be below. Don't forget that code. And please like and subscribe the video if you haven't already. And have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.